Folks, unless you've been living under a rock or you've been hibernating over the last 3 months, then you know the world is no longer the way we remember it. Coronavirus has been taking its toll on everyone. People are no longer working from home. People are no longer going to school. People are doing everything from their homes. And as a result, e-commerce has been skyrocketing. As we're speaking right now, Amazon stock, it's making new highs. I've been getting emails, phone calls. People have been texting me, asking me, Roger, what stocks can we buy right now to take advantage of this market that we're in right now? People already have too much Amazon or they just can't afford it. So you know what? I've got something good for you. I've got not one, not two, not three, but I got 4 top e-commerce stocks to buy right now. So while everyone loves Amazon right now, especially with the stock making all-time high, especially while the rest of the world is in lockdown mode due to coronavirus pandemic, tons of investors are seeing massive opportunities right now. In recent days, I've got so many questions, so let's get into these stocks right now. All right, so, and again, you may get better returns than Amazon. You may get worse returns than Amazon. But you got to have these stocks in your landscape right now for the foreseeable future. These stocks, in short, are the stocks that have similar exposure and growth characteristics and trends and profit potential to what you have seen with Amazon. So, without further ado, the first stock is Shopify. Yes, believe it or not, I've actually gave the stock a lot of coverage in my 5G report going back as far as 6 months ago, but it's a whole new world and people love Shopify. Why? Well, it's becoming quite clear. The business lacking a website store will lose critically important market share in the months to come. That's right. Shop makes it easy for merchants to establish a presence on the web. And having an online presence has never been more important than considering the ongoing pandemic that's forced people to stay at home. Shop serves, and the ticker symbol is SHOP. It serves merchants of varying sizes, providing online storefronts, payment methods, order fulfillment, even shipping. Do not be intimidated by the fact that Shop is approaching its 52-week high price. Shop has more than 1 million customers. Sales, they're spiking 47% from the prior year and has more room to grow. Let me put it this way. There's a good reason that Shopify has rallied over 50% this year and whopping 676% in the past 3 years. True, past performance, it's not a guarantee of future results, but it does give you a sense of growth potential, which is showing no signs of slowing down. And before I get into our next stock, I just want to add one more thing. And I love this about Shopify. I was actually looking into Shopify a couple of years ago when they were just getting going. What I love about Shopify is you don't have to be a programmer. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a web guru. Anyone who has basic experience can use Shopify and can connect it to their website. And I wanted to add that because that's the biggest concern. How do you do it? I mean, if you're a web guru, then you should be able to, if you know HTML, JavaScript, all that stuff, you should have no problem incorporating Shopify. But it's even user-friendly for people who have very little experience. If you had someone put your website together, you can then link Shopify to your site. So it's extremely user-friendly. All right, let's talk about our next stock. This is a good one, and this is one everyone's familiar with, eBay. Let's rewind back to the late 90s. It appeared as though eBay would be an e-commerce giant, while the likes of Amazon would remain in the red for decades to come. But, oh my, times have changed. eBay stock has stagnated since the summer of 2015, trending between $23 and $43. However, eBay has considerable momentum stemming from recent society-wide transition away from brick and mortar retail to online commerce. eBay currently has a buy recommendation from several leading analysts. Rank 2 from Zacks, a power rating from Stock News. Things are looking good for this stock. Now, part of eBay's recent rebound is attributed to its focus on shopping based on your browsing history. eBay recently plucked Walmart's former COO, James Iannone, to serve as its CEO. Now, Iannone is likely to succeed the personalization of eBay's website, helping the online merchant retain and attract the many customers in this stay-at-home era. So I believe eBay is going to have a huge resurgence, especially with this guy coming on board. The prior COO of Walmart is considered a very smart guy. He's now running the show at eBay, and I think we're going to see a lot of major improvements to their business model. And we may see a complete new resurgence in price of eBay, ticker symbol EBAY. Now, the next stock I talked about earlier this week, but I don't want to miss it. It's making new highs. The name of the stock is Chewy, ticker symbol SHWY. The masses have pared back their spending on luxuries while ramping spending on necessities during the coronavirus outbreak. Pet food, toys, other items for our furry friends, they're necessities. Chewy stands to benefit from the transition away from brick and mortar stores to online shopping. The company has minimal exposure to China, ensuring steady supply chain regardless of geopolitical tensions developing. The stock is soaring past its 52-week high, and I'm expecting it to keep making 52-week highs for months to come. The next stock is Mercado Libre, ticker symbol is MELI. People across the world, including those who live in Latin America, are flocking to the internet to buy right now and sell goods during the society-wide shutdown. And I mean, there's no brick and mortar stores right now. Meli is the leading e-commerce operator in South America, providing a popular marketplace along with additional services such as electronic payments. Now, this e-commerce superstar started out as a web-based auction site, subsequently transitioning to e-commerce to order fulfillment and related tools due to time. The fact that Meli provides a wide range of locations, takes cash, bodes well for the company as upwards of 3/4 of Latin American population lacks a bank account. Look for Meli to approach TipRank's average investor price target of $717 before the year end. That means there's ample move to the upside since the stock price is right around $600. And again, I believe this stock is going to be a big, big winner. Hope that helps.